Jaap Smit. I'm GIS-coordinator and fire officer in the safety region in the Netherlands. I would make a remark about the football game, but I skipped that. I'm very happy to Esri invited me to for my presentations about the geoinformations and geotext integration. The title has changed a little bit if you see the papers and you see the digital version. The subject geotext integration is integrated in my presentations, and I will come to that. My slides, they have a number, so if you have a question, remember the number and I can zoom to that. First I want to introduce the fire services in the Netherlands was integrated in the municipalities, local and regional. And at the moment we are busy with a process that it's integrated in a safety region. And the safety region coordinates the activities of the fire, of the emergency services, and also of the municipalities. On the map you see the Netherlands, the regions, safety regions, and in red you see the safety region IJsselland. For our goal, to reach our goal, we need geoinformation. And there are different aspects concerning geoinformation. I write a paper about that, but that's too long to present. So these are the chapters, the paragraphs, and the bold items I will more show in detail. The first, we start with demand. It's very important that you be aware of what information you need. And well, there are different methods to gather those informations. We used the following system. We started with our disasters. The disasters we have specified for the Netherlands. Those disasters can happen in the Netherlands and they are categorized. And when you zoom in to those disasters and the activities, the process we need those, well, we have also in the Netherlands defined them in those work processes. And they are categorized by each service who is responsible for those services. Then we start a project with colleagues from fire, police, medical and municipality. And we ask them the question, think about looking at your process you are responsible for, which information do you need? That was homework, we come again, we gather it, we see the same, we see difference, and well, we work it out we structurize it, and this is a summary. We start with a location, and then what is the circumstance, the weather, the situation, the scenario what's going on, what we have to do, operational, and with what are the resources. For each project you need a management summary on one page, so that's it right. It's too small to read, it's too difficult to read, it's Dutch. But we have worked that out. For each subject, what does it mean? Preparation. For preparations we need all the addresses of our coverage areas. What do we need for operational? We need the addresses of the incident location, the addresses of the sources, the addresses of the source area, the addresses of the effect area, and the supporting addresses for sheltering, etc. Also, is it the geoinformation? Who is responsible, who is the owner, and how can we get it? Well, the one page results in 3 pages, a little bit greater on poster formats, and there they are with a summary. And it seemed out almost 600 items. And yesterday it was a surprise for me that in a project San Diego, there was also told that they also are thinking about 600 items they used for data. Well, the next I shall show you some examples. Basic maps, vector, raster, aerial picture, different scales. Thematic maps, general, polygons, lines, points, infrastructure, and thematics for special, for the monodisciplinary, where are the fire stations, services areas, the hydrants, the pipelines, coverage area, and to the left, risk locations for diving, where the last years were diving rescues and open water. And well, you can see there is a common sense that diving rescues mostly by open water. So it's a lot more. Well, I will end with it. The next subject I will focus on is data preparation. When you open the data in your GIS, you have only a part of the value used. When you edit the layout, well, then you get more value for the same information. So you have to work it out, and you have to register how you do that so you can repeat it. And also data preparation is working with metadata to form the standards you use for your land. Data distribution. This is a picture of our geoarchitectures. To the left, it starts with a server for storage based on SQL database, and next to it is a server for servicing based on ArcGIS server. We have doubled it with, on the bottom, replication and backup, and the entrance is by a load balancer. And then internal use, we use the data, we use data services, we use web services and web applications, and also we use it on internet. Because we used an architecture 1 year ago, the National Geo Register in the Netherlands started. That's a portal, and it costs us only a few hours for the first data sets we present on the portal. You can see those information on www.nationaalgeoregister.nl. It's also important to share the layout you have worked on, so in order having to do that again, you can reuse that. And serving data is serving metadata, so it's very important to get that updated. Data use. I've mentioned all the different versions, and we use that on what we call Iceland Earth, just as fast as, but better. Because we use ArcGIS server, and ArcGIS server use also the same technology of Google, tiling all the print screens on different scales. But it is better because we have better aerial pictures, we have specific thematic layers that's specific for our work process. Another subject is data use and sharing operational information, common operational picture.